My name is Shinde Sakshi. Today's topic is object life cycle in Java. Introduction to object life cycle in Java is a central of its object-oriented programming paradigm. Programming paradigm. An object is the instance of a class, and its life cycle refers to the phases it undergoes from its creation to its destruction. And understanding the object life cycle is the crucial for the efficient memory management to optimization of the Java applications. In this speech, I will be walk you through and the entire process from object creation to garbage collection. First one is the object creation. An object in Java is the created using the new keyword which allocates the memory for the object and initializes it by invoking the constructor. For example, car, my car is equal to new car. In this line, the car is an object. In this line, this object is created and memory is allocated in the heap. Behind the sense, the class loading, the Java class loader loads the class definition, for example, car into the memory, and memory allocation in Java allocates the memory for the object in the heap. Constructor call. The constructor initializes the object state such as the setting of the instance variable. Second one is the object in a use, object lifetime. Once an object is created, it stay in the memory for as long as its reference. During this time, the object can be used, modified or accessed by the other parts of the program. An object can have the multiple references pointing to it, which means it can be shared across the methods or classes. For instance, car, another car is equal to my car. It references the same object as long as there at least the one reference to the object. It is considered to be in use. Important concept in the object life cycle. Instance variable in this method and methods of the object behavior is defined by its methods, while its states the stored in the instance variable. Mutability. An object can either be mutable, its state can change, or immutable. Third one is the object dereferencing. An object can become the eligible for the garbage collection if no part of a program holds the reference to it. Dereferencing happens when the variable pointing to the object is set to the null, and my car is equal to null. The variable goes out of the scope. For example, in the local method, once the method completes, the object reference is discarded. References are reassigned to other objects. At this point, the object no longer needed, and Java virtual machine will eventually reclaim its memory. Fourth one is the garbage collection. Java uses the automatic memory management for through the garbage collection to remove the objects that are no longer referenced. This prevents the method leaks and ensure efficient use of resources. And what is the garbage collection? Garbage collection is the process by which the JVM automatically deallocated memory for the objects that are no longer in use. It runs in the background, free giving the heap memory, so the developer doesn't need to manually handle the memory management. When does the garbage collector occurs? The JVM determines when the run garbage collector, usually when memory is low or when an object is unreachable. However, you can suggest the garbage collection by calling system.gc method is calling. Keep in mind, this is just a request. It does not guarantee to immediate garbage collection. Mark and the sweep algorithm. Java typically uses the mark and sweep algorithm, where it marks all the objects are the reachable and then sweeps away those are that not. Fifth is the finalization. Before an object is destroyed by the garbage collection, it may go through the process called finalization. This gives the object change to the clean up the resources like closing files, network connections, overriding the finalize method of class. The protected word finalize through the throwable, and however using the finalize is generally discouraged as it's add necessary override, and it is the better to use the try with resources or the explicit cleanup in your code. That's the finalization is not guaranteed to be called before an object is collected. That's all about the object life cycle.